So Bugster gets a little free rein in the morning to go and try and kill birds. That's the optimal word there is try to kill birds. She's never even caught one. What do you say, Bugster? Hi. You gonna sit under the tree and just stare at them? Hey, what you doing, Wildcat? The Wildcat. What's up, Wildcat? Are you trying to get birds? Hi, are you trying to get birds? Good girl. Oh, yeah. Look at that tail. Look at that tail, eh? Where you going, big cat? I can see this becoming a daily thing. We have to keep this under control. Huh? Come on. Don't make me go in there and get you. Bugster. Bugster, Bugster. Oh, no, I can't get her. What you got? Got a birdie in there? You got a birdie? Are you getting a birdie? Come on. Come on, Bugster. Bugster. Come on. Come on, Bugster. Bugster. Come on. Come on, Bugster. I need treats. Meep, 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 meep. Come on, Bugster. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on, Bugster. Come on, Bugster. Oh, this poor snow. All right, come here. Let's get you. Oh, it's like a big adventure. Oh, that's a happy cat.